nothing break you off. Let your beauties do it all. Nothing at all. Boy, now you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another wig review slash try on, and you guys know I really love working with Klaiyai, one of my favorite wig companies, and I secured the bag. So this time around they gave me this really nice packaging. I love a good packaging when I receive my hair. You guys know Klaiyai with their emerald green, honey. You can tell them apart with their packaging, right? So here she is. Okay. Super excited. I wanted to give you guys a different style because I feel like we've done a lot of straight yucky texture. So I wanted to do something a little bit different on today's video. In the packaging, you get the hair, but before we get into the hair, the construction of the hair and everything, let's get into the goodies. So you guys know they give you some hair clips right here. You have your headband right here. You have your satin pouch. They give you some press-on nails. And they give you some wig caps. So let's prep our hair for the wig. So I don't really do a braid down, but if you guys want to do that, definitely however you want to preserve your hair. All right. Perfect. Okay. Girlfriend, she's a long one. Okay. So let's open it up. So in the bag you have your hair tape. So if you do not want to use glue, they do have tape-ins. Sometimes you could put it here if you want. I don't normally use it, but they give you the options of using it, which is always good to be prepared. Okay. Here is your hair. I'm super excited because it's different from what I normally get from Klaiyai. All right, girl. Period, sis. She's a long one. Like, I'm never disappointed when it comes to Klaiyai's hair. Look at her. Girl, look at the parting. Look at this parting, guys. Do you see how long the parting is? This is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, okay? Everything is already prepared for you. So this is their 7x5 bye-bye knot pre-cut lace, and this is water wave. This is in 24 inches, so she is a long one. So this is for all the girls that love hair, long hair. She is amazing, perfect for the summer, perfect for the spring. This is definitely your vacation summer hair. This is a 7x5, so you get maximum parting. You can part in the middle, as you can see, and you can part in the center. All here is lace. All here is lace. It is pre-cut as well, so you guys don't really need to do anything but slap it on. This does not have baby hair, so if you are a girly that do not like baby hairs in your wigs, this will be perfect for you. I know on the website they do have an option of having baby hair, so if you do like your baby hair, you could definitely modify it if you want to, but girl, this is it. Look how my hands is running through. No tangles at all. Now let's go underneath so you guys can see the construction of the wig. Look at all that lace you're working with, like I mentioned. So this is a 7x5, okay, pre-bleached right here. It has two combs on the side for you. It has an elastic band, okay, that you can definitely adjust if you want. So it is perfect for small, medium, and large heads. You also have this right here on the back to adjust it even more for more security. And one thing I like about this is that it has a drawstring right here. So you can make it as tight, as loose as possible. You could definitely adjust it to your liking. It is not going to move. You also have a comb in the back. So this wig is perfectly constructed as well. So it is not moving at all. And I do love a wig with a drawstring. It just makes the wig wig extra secure. If the wind blows, you know your hair is secure. That's the one thing that I need my wig to be, is secure, okay? I don't want my wig moving anywhere. So this is the hair right here. Beautiful. So now let's see how she is. Let's see how she looks. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What do you guys? Ooh! I love it. 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 It's already secure. I feel like this is it. Like you really don't need to do anything. This is just amazing. I love the hair. The hair feels so nice. Amazing. So we're gonna adjust it in the back. You just pull like this. Super easy, right? And then you tuck. That's it. Okay. It's constructed so well that it has an ear cutout. So you right here. Do you see? Okay, so your ears are not gonna hurt. There's not gonna be any flapping. It's secure. I am going to use my Gas2b glue spray, and I'm gonna spray it in the lay so it can lay. So I'm just gonna push it down a little bit. Perfect. So you have your spray here. And I just like to work in increments. Okay, I'm back. It's been a little over 10 minutes. So let's see how she is. That's what I'm talking about. She is laid. Laid, laid, laid. Mm-hmm. Yes, I feel like a goddess. Like a Caribbean princess. Like I need to be on an island, in a beach, drinking a Bahama Mama, or maybe eating a mango. Yeah, like it's giving me that. It's giving me that. It's island girl. You know what I mean? I'm taking my Hula Benefit bronzer in caramel. I'm just gonna run it through the edges. I feel like you don't really need to, but I am. I'm gonna do that just so it can blend with my makeup. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. I don't really need to do anything with this hair. This hair is giving. Okay, look how long this hair is. Okay, she's giving all of 24, baby. Look how long she is, okay? Period. Look how long she is. Love it. Okay, let me run my hand through the hair because we like it big and fluffy. You know what? I'm gonna take my paddle brush and I'm gonna run through it and see how it is because your girl wants it big. Look at that. Stop it. Stop it. And it's easy to comb out too. Like, no shedding. This is amazing. Look how big this hair is and I love it. Now you can wear your hair like this if you want. Okay. Or this is my favorite mousse. This is the Tresemme Flawless Curl Moisturizing Mousse. This is everything. And see how it's easy to convert it right back? Okay, so this is a perfect vacation wig. Look at the difference between this combed out and this. Beautiful. I'm gonna do this side. Whoop. Okay. I love this mousse. Smells so good. Look how beautiful when you add mousse. The hair, look at the curls, it's so juicy. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the... All right, let me stop, but just get the ends. Super easy. Like, I have no complaints for this hair. Like, she's giving thickness. Look at this hair. Beautiful. All right, so now we see the middle part. Okay, you know I'm a middle part mommy, but let's part it to the side, see what it gives. Do you see the part? Look at this. Do you see the parting? I'm gonna go in with the mousse again. And then we're just gonna put that on top. This is so easy. This is an easy wig. This is such an easy, effortless hair. The most easiest wig I think I ever installed in my life. I'm gonna put a little powder on the lace because I feel like it's a little dark. Period. The hair. I think I like this hair parted to the side. Do you like the middle part or do you like the side part? Let me know in the comments down below. I personally like the side part for this wig. It just looks pretty and it's giving, you know what I mean? It's just, I feel like this wig is made, on me at least, in the side. My final thoughts of this wig. I love it. It is soft. The curls are beautiful. You really don't need to do much. The more product you put, mousse, you know, whatever it is that you do, like curling cream or whatever you use, it just gets better and juicier. See the curls? And that's just me adding the curl mousse. The hair is super easy. The wig is super snug as well. Like, I feel like this is one of my favorite curly wigs that I reviewed on my channel. I really love this wig. The hair deets will be in the description box down below for you guys if you're interested in this hair as well as any other wigs from Klaiyai. You guys know I made multiple videos with them and I truly love working with them. Like, their hair is always top notch. Top notch. Okay, period, sis. Period, sis. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. If you guys tried this hair or any other hair from Klaiyai, let me know in the comments down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.